Actually, something wrong with my computer lately. It still has crossback loop. I'm definitely not sure why, but my user is simply have it wrong. I have run all the necessary necessary component like update the node label nodes and things like that. So if you get the node and okay. OpenEBS Mayastor 22.6 and the kernel version is 5.18 and kernel runtime is CRIO. I think that matter. The most matter thing we should worry about right now is why this is failing. I mean, it's simply failing. It's interesting to see that happening. So if I get port with Y open space, most of the ports that failing is in Mayastor. That's pretty weird. I never think that it happened like that. But if I just get it right, you see that most of the ports are failing, and I see no port working in the first node, which is node 1, and that's interesting to see. So now what I actually do is I will just go to the home page of it, and let me just go to Mayastor, OpenEBS Mayastor, to see if somehow we can make it works. So when I deploy it, you see, I run all this command, custom and NAT and things like that. And then I it just doesn't change anything. And then I install this again. The volume is not changed. I definitely not sure what happening, but we get a CSI node. So most of them having this error, remote error, TLS error. Let me just check what is that error about. Let me just try to search for one of the guys who having this error. Oh, huge amount of them are panic. Oh, that's weird. So let me just try to approve one of them. Uh, Okay, so this is interesting. Uh, so it should be name. Okay, let me just. Oh, this hell of a long list. What I can say is that we can just go with the name and so metadata not name. Simply similar to what we have done with this one. So we can use similar things. Let me just try to customize here. So the command should be CSR. What the hell is CSR certificate? No. So using part will be range from dot items, metadata name. Yeah, let's just go with this one for now. Okay. I think that would work. Yeah, let's just echo it for now. So the auto approve will be this one. Okay, let's just try to see if it's actually working. It's really interesting that there's something definitely something I don't know. So for TFL is source error, things like what is what I'm fixing? I'm curious how the progress. Okay. So let me just delete this import again. Oh, holy shit. What the hell is this? Okay. Okay, that's interesting. This is Steam. So it's a different error now, so I think the previous error should be fixed.